definitely have like a setup possible here soon. So yeah, I might be buying the markets if this thing closes above a high. Right. Just gonna have to wait though. Because until we get something, then we're not gonna trade. Simple as that. We could make a new high here, and we could get fucked, but it is what it is. Oh no, we won't get fucked because I will be there to watch the markets. Alright, bruh. So currently I'm looking at like a continuation trade. You know, the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish, 1 hour is bearish, but the daily is bullish. That's enough for me to go bullish for, right? And so basically, like, we are like at a 15-minute high right now, and I'm just seeing how price reacts. If price is going to make a new break of structure to the upside, that means we're kind of disrespecting this liquidity, this high, right? And if price decides to break twice to the downside, giving like an S2, then that means this high is actually respected, and I'm not going to trade this high. I'm gonna have to wait for something else. I'm just gonna wait one more minute. Let me see on the 15. Do we have anything stupid? No. Okay, good. Because if we did, that'd be annoying. Alright, looks like we're getting close to this entry here. See how it goes, I guess. Just one close above, and that's all I need to trade. Looking alright. Nope. Damn. Damn. You did not have to do that, bruh. No break. Gotta go check real quick. I'm pretty sure that was not a break. Pretty damn sure. It's not a break, okay. But we might have a break soon, so just gonna wait. I forgot I actually don't need to have the stop always on. I just need like the buy limit thingy. Looks like I'm actually making a new high here. Alright. That's a new high. It's like 900 points. 0.33. Gonna look to enter if it breaks above that. Jeez, bro. Price is looking very annoying. Okay, new low. So 106 points. I'll wait another minute, bro. Cause yeah, I'll wait another minute. I know this shit is not. Whoa. Okay, that's a lot of volume. Not really, but you know. Yeah, I feel like price does not want to keep going higher from this high, because it's just been kind of reacting like this. But you know, as long as it breaks once without breaking lower, then technically that is a valid continuation trade. I'm only trading from 8 to 9, so or like 9 to 9:30 to 10:30 in EST, right? Okay, so I am not looking to buy the markets until I see two breaks of structures to the upside from now. So yeah, we might actually get nothing here. I'll be honest. Price is just going in waves. I'll wait. But yeah, like anyway, so I'm just explaining what's kind of going on in my head here. Right, so on the daily, coming to the day, just ignore the lines, right? I was bullish, we broke structure upside, and I'm bullish, right? That's all I need to see. So 4 hour lows, 4 hour order blocks. We have a 4 hour low here, we have a 4 hour order block right there. Cool. 1 hour, same thing, order block and a low, right? That's all I need. 15 minute, there was basically nothing on the 15 minute, so you know, that's that. On the opposite side, for continuation trades, like you know, opposite of reversal trades, we've got 4 hour high up there. There's 0 1 hour highs, so I'm gonna have to use 15s, right? So 15s here, we have 1 2 3 stuff like that, and you know, all I'm doing is looking for possible continuation of these highs. That's all it is, really. Just wait until we get like two breaks of structure to the upside, or if it makes another break lower here, then I'm just gonna not use this high at all, because at that point it's already a reversal, you know. This looks like a CRT, I ain't even gonna lie. That's technically not a CRT. It's 8:30 to 9:30 and 9:30 to 10:30. It's like 2 30 minutes. Okay, what's this? Looks like we have a S2 on our hands. But like a S3 consolidation. That is not a break because it technically didn't close over. Seriously, are you sure that thing was directly on that, bruh? Are you mad sure? Like, bruh. Whatever, fam. I'm not calling that as a break of structure. Not yet. So other than trading, you know, today I just got my math and geography test done, exams, right? Tomorrow I've got history and science. Um, so that's cool. I guess I think I'm gonna get like A's on most of them. The only thing I'm kind of not sure about is geography, right? On there, like I maybe got like a 75 or 76 and above, right? Okay, wait, I need to log in now. But what I'm saying is like there is a chance I don't get an A on geography, and I don't know how to feel about that. I think that's all right, you know. This is just only like the first end of the month test, and then like the next test is like on I don't know October or something. So yeah, should be fine. Don't listen. Is that an actual high or that is not a high? Okay, I'll wait. I shall wait. I don't know, man. Like price has just been kind of moving, not nicely this day. It's Monday, so it kind of is like this, I guess. But whatever. Might have ourselves a high here. My favorite colors are blue, black, green, white maybe sometimes. So yeah, I guess that's all my favorite colors on here. Alright, so log in. That's an actual enterable high up here. Log in, baby boys, log in. Just gonna put stop here, so 58, right? 0.51. That is very close, jeez. Yeah, no, this is an S3, it's consolidating as fuck. Right, it doesn't want to go up or down, right? It hasn't made two bricks of structure in the same direction. It's consolidating. But I ain't gonna lie, fam, like, this order block has already been used, so, like, I don't know how to feel about that. It could still, like, push price up. It's just, it's not that effective anymore. Yeah, definitely no. So, I feel like price is gonna consolidate for the next 10 minutes. We have pretty much nothing to do yet. Just gonna have to wait, I guess. Wow. Farewell. I still need myself like two bricks of structure to the upside if I want to enter. But yeah, no, not gonna enter shite. Just gonna wait, bruh. Just an hour a day at the markets, and I'll learn something every single day, right? I feel like I've learned maybe something. Like, I was just messing around and like, it was like this little cool, funny little thing I found out. Basically, on the 5 minute, like after a break of structure, there will always be order blocks. And like from those order blocks, you could technically enter in, right? This is a break of structure, right? You've got yourself an order block, right? Price comes back into the order block. Now this is with the trend on the daily, but I've seen this work with like without the trend, so I guess maybe. Right, anyways, price comes in, taps, gives you your entry, right, on the one breaker structure. Boom. 1 to 2 RR is your TP. Right, you could get entered in and like make money there or here, right, whatever it is. Now same thing, right? Let's go ahead and make structure higher, expecting price to keep going higher at this point. So from here, right, all I'm looking for is a break of structure to the upside. Price did make one, and you lose. You know, I'm just saying, fam. You do not always win. It's just the truth. No one wins all the time. Right, but this is not even something I even back tested, right? I'm just bored, so I just kind of figured that out. Anyways, yeah, price looks like it's actually... What the fuck is that volume? You want to tell me what that is, sir? We do not have anything new. Nothing. Go on the hourly. Nope. Right, there's nothing to do here. Just gonna have to wait, and price broke structure once lower. It's probably gonna break another once lower again, so... Now the thing is, with this strategy, it takes about maximum 4 candles to enter a trade, and a minimum 2 candles to enter a trade. So basically, you know, price could tap in here and then shoot back up, breaking structure, right? Make a low, break structure again, and that's our entry, right? You know, we break structure here, break a high, break another high, that's an entry right here, right? So it takes about 3 candles actually, okay? Second thing is price can actually come in, take the low, right? One more candle, making another low, and then just another break. So yeah, maximum 3 or 4, somewhere around there. So yeah, I'll keep that in mind, I guess. I still don't like this, bro. This liquidity is definitely a liquidity sweep. I mean, just look at this shit, bro. Accumulating like hell. Engineering liquidity. Takes the high. Guess what? Takes the high? CISD. CISD, entry on the CISD, targeting what? Low resistance liquidity. 1, 2, right? 3, right there. I've learned ICT and shit, but it just doesn't work for me. Like, I don't know how they find liquidity and all that bullshit, so it's kind of left. Right now, I don't even know how price is moving, bruh. Price is just moving. Probably just gonna have to upload this raw on YouTube. Nothing really here to do. Just you know, me talking into the damn phone while watching charts. It's technically what I've been doing for the last 11 days. Just, you know, locking in on trading. Even though it's exam week, I'm still obsessed with trading because I know this is just something that I want to do, right? I don't really want to work. Well, no, I do, you know. It's just not in the way of like slavery, 9 to 5 type shit, right? Because I mean, just look at my mom, right? She's sitting at like my home pharmacy. Like my home is basically like a medicine store, right? Um, it's like at the front part of my house, and then the back is like literally where I live, right? My mom has to stay outside for literally hours at a time, right? Sometimes even the whole day, just fucking selling medicine the entire day, bro. Like, I don't want that, right? I don't want my mom to have that. I don't want myself to have that, right? I don't want my bros to have that. I don't want that, right? So really, um, that's kind of the only reason I'm kind of pursuing trading, right? I want to live my own life. I want to just, make money, get it done, then enjoy life, right? All right. So, yeah, man, I'm just kind of locked in on this shit, and I want to make this shit work, and I will, bro. I've been in trading for like a year and like 2 months maybe now. I started like last month, June ish, or July actually. No, June. Still on the grind, man. Trying to get profitable. My mom already knows about me trading. Like, I don't know what's her opinion on it, but she seems like she supports me, and that's all I need, bro. That's all I need. I love her. Love my mom, man. Okay, it's actually just consolidating, bro. One break a structure. If it makes another break higher, then yeah. Like that's all I need to trade this shit. If it makes a down candle, I'm gonna lock in. The unfunny thing is I'm probably gonna lose. The funny thing is I'm probably gonna lose, right? Cause it's literally at the end of like just about 10:30. Usually I trade till like 11, but I just don't want to stay at the markets that long anymore. Cause I've just been obsessed with trading. My eyes have just been burned with this chart. So yeah. All right, might actually have to lock in here. Probably won't if it comes down to this low. Don't miss it. I'm gonna lock in. All I need price to do is just close above this high, and that's an entry for me. Without taking this low, right? Without taking this low, because if it does, then it invalidates the bullish trend. I'm just gonna wait like a minute because I don't want to calculate it and then it just immediately makes a new stop loss. 9-8. I'll wait. I'm patient. I'll wait. I'm not scared. I'm not FOMO'd. I'll just wait. What you gonna say, bro? What you gonna say? Nothing. You gonna say nothing. Right? There's barely any news. Yeah. So this is the stop loss. Maybe 98. Is that actually a low or am I tripping? That's a new low. I bet. Literally, if this candle doesn't break above, then we're done with this session. So, which is pretty likely, I'm gonna be honest. 120, 122, 0.24. Yeah. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. There was pretty much nothing to do, right? Uh, so that's pretty much it. I was honestly waiting for a trade, but never got one, so I never executed. And honestly, I'm proud of that, right? Proud of just staying on my ass, not doing shit. That's it, right? That's all we got for today. Nothing much. Just a lot of consolidating. So I'm kind of proud of myself for like just sitting on my hands, not doing anything. Especially right here. Especially right here. I could have like entered in on FOMO or something, and I could have just lost. Crazy, bro. So good job for me on just keeping that high monitored and not actually taking that stupid trade. So yeah, with that, that's pretty much it. Nothing really happened here. just a bunch of consolidating. So yeah, just gonna make the thumbnail because I'm bored. May I please make the thumbnail? May I please make the thumbnail? Text. Add text, please. Where? So, like, shit, you know? There's probably some random ass silver bullet thing. If I'm real with you, silver bullet. Ever heard of it? I have, but I actually don't know what that means. So, you know, haha, Google Gaga, I guess. Is this something? This is probably something. We broke structure bearish after taking 15-minute liquidity. Yeah, I'm not. I don't even know what that is, bro. So fuck off, I guess. Yeah, so nothing today. That's all. Gonna go ahead and make this look nice, real quick. May I please open the text? Like, okay. So today was just a perfect example of consolidation where just like we had a area of interest where we wanted to look for entries. Broke down, broke up, broke down, broke up. Like, this is consolidating, bruh. Like, if it's an S1 means like it's like breaks after, continues the trend after taking liquidity. S2 is like it breaks twice, doing a market structure shift and reversing. S3 is just it doesn't want to move, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing really happened, I'll be honest. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and see you all next time, I guess. Good night.